Right, so this video is how to keep these bad boys from shifting. Mine kind of slides like this and it's very irritating. So I said, let me use my trusty Velcro adhesive to stop that. And so this is a way that you can utilize it. I know if it's certain areas that you in, I just like a good grip when I'm driving. So I love to put protectors on my vehicle. And also like in the winter time and stuff like that, I just feel like it's more warmer and it just, I don't know, it's just a little bit different. Some people like the fuzzy ones, some people like the rubber ones, which is like the one I have on. And this one is made by Dickie, like the clothing line. And I literally have to shift and move it all the time to get it back where it's supposed to because it moves. Now, this is a problem for a lot of people because you can't find the right size. Sometimes it's too hard to get on and sometimes it's too small. So if it's too big, which is easier to get on, let me show you what I do to fix that so it doesn't move anymore. I'm going to use this Velcro adhesive fastener. I'm going to cut a couple strips off of it and then we're going to place this under the steering wheel and show you how it doesn't move anymore. So I've cut off 4 pieces and now we're getting ready to put them underneath and this should remedy our problem. You want to make sure your thing is right where it needs to be before you put these pieces on. Being that this is so extremely sticky, I may only need 2 because this stuff is no joke. So I'm going to put 1 on the top and 1 on the bottom. You're just going to go up underneath there and stick it under there. So let's put this one on. I have it there. Now I'm going to press this down like that. Press it down on there. To be honest, 1 was enough, but look, it's not moving at all. But we're going to put 1 on the bottom just in case. So we have 1 at the bottom. And I'm just going to wrap it around and press it down really hard. And look, now I have stopped the shifting and the moving of my protecting wheel steering cover. Yep, no more moving. So that's how you fix it. And I'm shifting it. It's not moving, guys. So that's how you fix a steering wheel cover that is too big. You can get these adhesives from Dollar Tree. I ordered the big roll that I have. I ordered this from Amazon and I use it for lots of things in my home. I will try to put the link to a couple ways that I use it in the description box. If I forget, please let me know. Like how to put your area rugs down without them moving and getting the wrinkles out of it. How to protect your vases and stuff so no one can knock them down. It's a lot of ways you can use this. So for $9 to have this around the house is really awesome because it can be used for so many things. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure you thumbs up the video. I'm sorry, I'm in a garage, so it's kind of dark. Make sure you thumbs up the video and make sure you share the channel and join my family by subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you're alerted every time I put up a new video. And I will see you guys later, Gators.